Good morning children, how are you? I hope you are fine and you are feeling very good at your home, you are feeling safe and you are learning a lot of things. Okay children? Yes, so yesterday we have completed the page number 10 of your worksheet. For the 4th class children, this is the worksheet of lesson number 2. So we have completed how I have given you the homework how to write the essay. Okay, the 2 paragraphs you have to write. Okay, so I have written we will go through this. Okay, in the above picture we can see people from the village polluting the river. Water pollution poses a significant threat to the ecology and sustenance of life. Yes, that is very true, because water pollution poses a very significant threat in the daily life. Okay, and it is also harmful for environment and ecological balance also. In this picture, industrial waste is dumping into the river. A man taking the water for drinking. 2 boys are bathing in the same river. One boy is dumping garbage in the river. Okay children, even the animals are also be seen. Yes, they are washing, right? People are washing the clothes. The same water is used for drinking. Yes, the picture depicts the water pollution. Yes, so this picture shows about the water pollution. Yes, so here yesterday we have seen how the water is drinking by that boy, and the same water is taking for drinking also. Even the animals also washed in the same river. Yes, and the fishermen also taking the fishes from the same river, right? So what will be the solution for this? So I have written the first paragraph like this and next paragraph like this. Okay, you can show your opinion in the worksheet. Okay children, water is a universal solvent. Why water is a universal solvent children? Because it can dissolve as many as solvents in it. Like suppose you are mixing the salt in them, sugar in them, it almost absorbs in them. That is called as a universal solvent. Even the alcohol also it will mix and it will we can't separate them, right? Yes, water is able to dissolve more substances than any other liquid on earth. So on the earth water is a universal solvent because it can dissolve more than other substances in them. Yes, next, toxic substances from farms, factories readily dissolve in it. So here obviously the wasting the toxic substances from the factories as well as this litter, and if the woman is using the detergent or soap, then it is also chemicals releasing in the water, right? So this causes farms, factories readily dissolve into it, causing water pollution. So what it calls the water pollution. Types of water pollution are ocean, groundwater, sewage and wastewater, etc. So there are different types of water children, even the groundwater, when the rain comes, so all the flood also, so many things are there when the water can be polluted. Moreover, the human activities also doing the same. Okay children, here I have drawn the pie chart shows the global water pollution and slogans to prevent water pollution. I have written by myself. You can write any other thing. Okay, you can write what are the other water pollution and you can show in the pie chart, right? Yes, this is the industrial waste, how much is this, and this much is sewage. Okay, this is a litter, how we are dumping the garbage. Offshore oil, farm runoff means what are the farmers and taking the river off. Then offshore oil means like in the bank of the river, most of the fishes are coming at the corner and they are taking all the oil in them, because fishes have scales, and on their scales the oil is also taking out from the bank of the river also. So that is called as offshore oil. Yes, so these are all the things, because we are taking the petroleum by from with the help of oceans and water only, right? Yes. So these are the slogans to prevent the water pollution: save water, save life; conserve water, conserve life. So I have written the paragraph like this, children. You can just take a pause and you can just and write. Okay, children. And if you want to write the another one also, you can write, because it's nothing like that you can't write and it's not your opinion. Every opinion should be not judged. Okay, it should be always welcome. Okay, you can other things, you can draw the diagram of the water pollution, right? So many things we can do. Okay, children. So this completes your worksheet. This is the 11th page we have completed, and worksheet 4 also completed, and lesson number 2 has been completed, children. So please do the homework, do everything, children. Please, we have completed 2 lessons. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you, children. Take care.